So I'm going to make a simple salad to go with my dinner. It's called a BLT Macaroni Salad. A bacon, lettuce, tomato macaroni salad. Takes just 15 minutes to prepare, 20 maybe. And it's quite good, light, and refreshing. So let's get started on Darlene's table. Okay, so I'm going to start with half a cup of mayonnaise in the bowl. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of chili sauce. You can use your favorite sweet chili sauce. It doesn't have to be this one. And this also has a teaspoon of sugar in it. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Whisk this out. 3 cups, I've already prepared this, of cooked macaroni. For this salad, I do like to use the large. Now my macaroni is already cold because I cooked it early this morning and put it in the refrigerator. Now, to this, I'm going to add some green onion, like 3 tablespoons of green onion, and half a cup of chopped tomatoes. There's my tea of the BLT. Stir this up. Now at this point you could put it in the refrigerator, and then just before serving, but I'm going to be serving it right away, but just before serving, you're going to stir in 3 cups of lettuce. I'm not fond of iceberg lettuce, so I like to use something like romaine. You're going to stir this in. And you need to serve this immediately once you add the lettuce and the bacon. I've got 4 slices of bacon here. A little more than that, actually. This is really surprisingly good and refreshing. And geez, anything that says BLT, bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes, I go for that. All right, now, I'm going to put some of this in a nice serving bowl. I'm going to put just a little bit more bacon on top. And I'm going to put some nice green onion. Doesn't that look pretty? All right, here we go. That's so good and so easy. And such a pretty looking, refreshing salad. You will find this recipe on my website, darlenestable.com. So bye for now. Come back to see me soon on Darlene's Table.